Hello dear children, welcome back to the mathematics class, and today's topic is word problems. So here the first one is Misha has a book of 92 pages to read. She has already read 68 pages so far. How many more pages does she need to read to complete the book? So here the first one in the word problem, the first one is Misha has a book of 92 pages. So already it is solved the sums. We can see the answers here, but we'll check it once again. Okay, so 92 pages to read, and she has already read 68 pages. So in that 92 pages she has read 68 pages. So now we have to calculate how many more pages does she need to read to complete the book. Okay, now let's solve this problem. So we have to write now 92 minus 68. Okay, so from the 92 pages we have to minus 68 pages. Okay, from 2 to 8, can we minus this? Can we subtract this, children? No, it is not possible because 2 is a small, 8 is a big. So what we have to do? We have to borrow. Okay, from here we have to borrow 1. So how much it will become now? 12. So here 9 minus 1 is 8. Isn't it? Now 12 minus 8. So 12, from the 12 we can minus 8 easily. Okay, now start to minus this. Now start to subtract this. How to do? From 8 after we have to count the number till 12 comes. Okay, so 8 after, count the number. 8 after 9, 10, 11, 12. So what is the answer we got? 8 after 9, 10, 11, 12. So how much we got, children? We got 4. The answer is 4. Now 8 minus 6. So 6 after you have to count the number till 8 comes. So 6 after 7, 8. So what we got the answer now? 2. So that means 24 is the answer. So Misha has to read still 24 pages to complete the book. Okay? Yes. Let's go for the second question. The second question is, there are 14 butterflies. 7 of them fly away. How many butterflies are left? So total how many butterflies? 14. So 14 butterflies were there. So in that 7 of them fly away. From the 14, 7 butterflies fly away. So now we have to calculate how many butterflies are left. Okay, in that 14, how many butterflies are there? We have to calculate now. Let's move to the board. So 14 minus 7. So here I wrote 07. That means 7 only. Okay. So 4 minus 7. Is it possible to subtract this number, children? No, it is not possible. 4 is small, 7 is big. So we have to borrow from here 1. So the same number we have to write, that is 4. Okay. Now strike out this and strike out this. So 1 minus 1 is equal to, it is 0. Okay. Now 14 minus 7. So 7 after we have to count the number till 14 comes. Okay. So 7 after, count the number. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So how much we got, children, answer? Answer is 7. So how much we got the answer? 7. Now come to the tens place, that is 0 minus 0. 0 minus 0 is 0 itself. So no need to write. If you write also, no problem. Okay. Yes, the answer is 7. From 14 butterflies, so 7 of them fly away. So now how many left now? How many butterflies left? 7 butterflies. Okay. Yes. Let's move to the third question. The third question is Raju has 27 toffees. He distributes 6 toffees to his friends. How many toffees does he have now? So Raju has how many toffees? 27. So how many he has distributed to his friends? 6 toffees. From 27 he has distributed only 6. Now we have to calculate how many toffees does he have now. Let's solve this. So now how to write this? 27 minus 6. So 7 minus 6. Is it possible to subtract this number, children? Yes, it's possible because 7 is big, 6 is small. Isn't it? Now there is no question of borrowing because the 7 is a big number and 6 is a small number. When upper number is big and lower number is small, so we can subtract the number easily. Got it? Yes. So 7 minus 6 is equal to 1. Isn't it? Yes. Now 2 minus 0. 2 minus 0 is 2. So what is the total answer now? 21. So how many he has toffees now? 21 toffees. So the answer is 21. Let's move to the fourth question. The fourth question. Ritu has 11 pairs of jeans. She gives 2 pairs to a poor child. How many pairs of jeans does she have now? So Ritu has how many pairs of jeans? 11 pairs. So in that 11 pairs, she gives 2 pairs to a poor child. So from 11 pairs, she gives 2 pairs to the child. So now we have to calculate how many pairs of jeans she have now. Okay, let's calculate. So how we have to write this? 11 minus 2. So here 1 minus 2. Is it possible, children? No, we can't do it because 1 is small, 2 is big. So by that time we have to borrow 1. Okay. So this one we have borrowed here. So now this number we have to write here. That is 1. So total how much it has become now? 11. So 11 minus 2 we can do it easily. Now here how much is remaining? It is 0 because only 1 was there. So we took this side. We have borrowed that 1 to the 1's place. Now 11 minus 2. 2 after you have to count the number till 11 comes. So 2 after, count children, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So how much we got the answer now? It is 9. So what is the answer now? It is 9. 0 minus 0 is 0. So what is the total answer? How many pairs of jeans Ritu has now? How many pairs? Ritu have 9 pairs of jeans. Okay. So the answer is 9. Let's move to the fifth question. The fifth question is, there are 56 books in an almirah. 35 books are taken out. How many books are left in almirah? Okay. So there are total how many books were there? 56. So in that how many books taken out? 35 books. Now we have to calculate how many books are there left. How many books are there? Okay. So let's count this. Now we have to write 56 minus 35. So 6 minus 5. Now it is possible to subtract this number because 6 is big, 5 is small. So 6 minus 5, how much, children? 1. So right here below the number. Now 5 minus 3. So 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. So the total answer is 21. So how many books left now? 21 books left. Okay. Now let's move to the sixth question. Sixth question is, there are 22 balls in a box A. 14 balls are transferred from box A to another box B. How many balls are left in a box A? So in a box that's called A box, there were 22 balls. So from the 22 balls, 14 balls were transferred to the box B. So now we have to calculate how many balls left in a box A. Okay? Yes, let's solve this. So now we have to write this 22 minus 14. How to write? 22 minus 14. So here 2 minus 4. Is it possible, children? No, it's not possible because 2 is small, 4 is big. So what we have to do now? We have to borrow 1. The same number we have to write, that is 2. So now it has become 12. Strike out this number, and here 2 minus 1 is 1. How much left here? It is 1. Now 12 minus 4. So 4 after, let's count the number till 12 comes. So 4 after, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay. How much we got the answer, children, now? It is 8. Let's write the answer here. 8. Next here, 1 minus 1. So 1 minus 1 is equal to, it's 0. So total, the answer is 8. So how many balls left in a box A, children? That is 8 box. 8 balls. Okay, in a box A, there is total now 8 balls. Let's move to the last question. The last question is, Virat has made 72 runs in a cricket match. How many more runs does he need to make 90 runs? So, Virat, do you like a cricket, children? Yes. So, in that, Virat has made 72 runs in a cricket match. So, how many runs he has made? 72 runs. Now, how many more runs does he need to make 90 runs? To make a 90 runs, how many he needs to make a runs? Okay, now let's solve this. So here we have to write how many does he need to make a run, children, 90 runs? We have to find out. So what we have to write here first? We have to write 90 runs, that is 90, 90, and how many he had made, children, already runs? That is 72. 72. Now we have to calculate that how many he needs to make a 90 runs. So from 90 we have to minus 72. Okay. So 90 minus 72. So that we will get how many he needs more runs to make a 90. So 0 minus 2. Is it possible? No. So from here we have to borrow 1. So 1, then this 0 we have to write. That is now 10. Now strike out this. So 9 minus 1 is 8. 9 minus 1 is 8. Now here 10 minus 2. 2 after, you have to count the number till 10 comes. So 2 after, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So how much we got the answer now? 8. Now 8 minus 7. So 8 minus 7 is 1. So the answer is 18. So Virat needs 18 runs to make a 90. Okay. So here we have completed all the word problems. So here we have completed all the 7 word problems. So you have to write this all neatly in your classwork book. Okay. See you in the next class, children. Take care and bye-bye.